dignified dignitaries on the dais, Nalluru Venkateshwara Rao Garu, Siddhartha Academy President, Secretary Lakshman Rao Garu, and Assistant General Manager, Syndicate Bank, Ashiradam Garu. My heartfelt thanks to AGM Syndicate Bank and staff for inviting Red Cross Krishna to organize blood donation camp on the eve of 88th Foundation Day celebrations of Syndicate Bank. Blood donation is a unique type of donation. It has no match with any other donation. A man can live without food for 58 days if one can go through the life history of Amarjeev Potti Sriramulu. But if a person loses blood due to injury or surgery, it has to be replaced within no time. Otherwise, he will die. We have developed scientifically many things, but there is no substitute or method by which blood can be synthesized artificially. It only can be obtained if a person comes on a humanitarian grounds and donates voluntarily. For this reason, a voluntary blood donor is a unique personality who do not know whom is donating blood today and who is going to be benefited tomorrow. All over world, every year nearly 8.5 crore people are donating blood. In our country, nearly 1 crore people are donating blood. In our Andhra Pradesh state, every year nearly 8.5 lakh people are donating blood. Unfortunately, we are running short of 1.5 lakh units every year. With this shortage, nearly 70% of the road accident people are not getting blood in time. Not only the person who met with the accident is dying, but all the family members who are depending on him are thrown out of roads. Why this situation? Are there any shortage of voluntary donors in our country? No, not at all. In our population, 50% people are fit to donate blood. Why this is happening? Some are scared of needle prick while collecting blood. Some are scared of seeing the color of the blood. Some are doubtful in their mind these needles and bags are reused. These doubts are baseless. Students and youth are coming forward to donate blood, but they were annoyed by their parents. All these things are making unawareness of the voluntary blood donation importance. What are the benefits for the blood donor? Repeated blood donations will help to eliminate excess iron accumulated in the blood. In turn, it will help lessen heart attacks, diabetes and cancers. Repeated blood donations will help dilute cholesterol levels in the blood. In turn, fresh blood will be produced in the bone marrow and it will have more oxygen carrying capacity. It will give energy and stamina to the donor. These are all one side of the coin. But the other side of the coin is, with his blood donation, he can save a life. We cannot compare it with any benefit. We are all having in our mind that blood is mainly required for pregnant women and surgery patients and road accident people. But many of us do not know, and it is time to know everybody that one more category of patients requires blood regularly. They are innocent thalassemia children. They are born with genetic disorder of the blood. Their lifespan is only 20 to 30 years. All these 30 years they require regular blood transfusions at an interval of 3 weeks throughout their life. 50 thalassemia children are enrolled their names at Vijayawada Red Cross Blood Bank. Last year we gave 350 units of blood free of cost to these children. ఒక్క ముక్కలో చెప్పాలంటే ఈ చిన్నారుల ఆవేదన ఒక అడుగు అమ్మఒడిలో ఒక అడుగు మృత్యువడికి వడివడిగా సాగుతూ నిత్యం జీవన్మరణ సమస్యలతో కొట్టుమిట్టాడుతూ మృత్యువు కరాల కరవాలానికి బలి అయి చివరకు మృత్యుశయ్యకు చేరువవుతున్న చిన్నారులు ఈ థాలసీమియా చిన్నారులు. I request voluntary donors to remember Red Cross whenever they want to donate blood, because Red Cross will help these innocent thalassemia children. I once again thank you one and all for giving us this opportunity, and also request you to make this blood donation camp mega success.